Standard.
One time, she's got to be. Lego.
What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you've been rocking with me, okay, thank you, boo. All right, so let's jump on in. So as you can see, I've already started on my hair. Well, I'm almost done basically, but I figured that this part was just going to be really boring. It's really just me trying to put these twists in. So far, this has taken me an hour and a half. So I'm thinking that I have a half an hour left on this section. So I left this section open so that you guys can see what we got going on. So let me show you the back. So I'm doing this on wet hair. I decided to do mine on wet hair because I saw a lot of videos of people doing it on dry hair, and they pretty much did it on dry hair because of the shrinkage. If you want to maintain length, you want to make sure that you try to do this on dry hair. So before doing this style, I made sure that I cleansed my hair with a clarifying shampoo because I do plan on leaving this in for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So I want to make sure that I'm starting off with extremely clean hair. Then I deep condition, put a leave-in conditioner on it, and now I have my styling products. So my styling products is the styling Custard from Texture ID. It looks like this. And I am putting Blue Magic grease on top of it. Looks like this. My twists are very moisturized. Like, they're so freaking moisturized, and I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna show you guys the technique that I've been using to get these in here. Like I said, my hair is still pretty wet. I'm gonna spray it a little bit more because it's been sitting. Alright, so this is the section that I'm going in with. And I'm gonna get a little bit of the custard. You can't see that, it's clear. But I just got a little bit and I put it on there, and then I got a little bit of the grease. So I don't want to use too much of the grease because I watched another video from someone else, and they basically said that once they sat under the hairdryer to dry their hair, the grease liquefied and it was just everywhere. So I want to learn from other people's mistakes, okay? And then you pretty much just twist it. And so I'm not twisting all the way to the end. I'm just twisting it, and then about half an inch from the end, I'm just curling it and twirling it around my finger. So it looks like that. As I'm adding the products, I'm just like raking it through and finger detangling to make sure that it's not super tangled while I'm doing my twist, just as I would with like a normal twist out. Alright guys, so I'm finally done twisting. It took a total of 2 hours to do my entire head, and they're still pretty wet, pretty damp. So I'm getting ready to sit under the heated dryer, and then I'll come back to you guys once it's dry so you can see the finished look. Okay y'all, so it's the next day. Last night I tried to get my hair as dry as possible, but I just really did not feel like coming back on camera, so I was like, I'll just do it tomorrow. So it's the next day. So my hair is about 95% dry, so it's pretty dry. I could just feel like some cold pieces, but this is pretty much what we got. I was gonna jazz it up and put some like jewelry in it and some stuff on it, but I did the twist like really small, so I don't think any jewelry is gonna like stay on there. I don't know, I might try later on, but this is what we got. I love it. I think this is super cute. So I'm gonna pretty much leave these in for like 2 weeks. Well, I'm gonna try and we'll see how that goes. All right, so let me know what you guys think down below, and thanks so much for watching.